In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can emote on Xbox in Fortnite. It really is super simple, so we're going to get straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, and you can do this in-game or just in the lobby, essentially just hold down on the D-pad, and that'll open up the emote wheel for you. So hold down on it, it's going to pull up with a page that looks something like this, where you simply need to just go through using the right stick and select whatever emote you want. So go ahead and choose one, for example, this one, right? And it really is as simple as that. Now, you can do this in the lobby, in the game, in the starting island. It doesn't really matter. A quick tap will just use whatever your last emote is as well. But that is it. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.